Valentin Debise continued his impressive 2026 World Supersport campaign by securing another important victory in Race 1 at Misano. The French rider once again proved why he has emerged as one of the leading championship contenders, delivering a composed and dominant performance from start to finish. As soon as the race began, Debise immediately established himself among the frontrunners. Combining strong pace with excellent race management, he controlled the proceedings while several of his main championship rivals struggled to stay within striking distance. Lap after lap, the ZXMOTO rider maintained his advantage before taking the checkered flag for another valuable win. The result represents another major milestone for ZXMOTO factory Evan Brodas Racing. Since partnering with the ambitious Chinese manufacturer, Debise has helped transform the ZXMOTO 820RR from an intriguing newcomer into a motorcycle capable of consistently fighting for victories against the established forces of the WorldSSP category. A key factor behind Debise's success this season has been his remarkable consistency. While several championship challengers have lost points through crashes, technical issues, or difficult race weekends, the experienced Frenchman has continued to deliver strong finishes on a regular basis. Those steady results are becoming increasingly important as the title battle intensifies. Misano is a circuit where experience often makes the difference, and Debise used every bit of his knowledge to maximum effect. His smooth riding style, intelligent tire preservation, and calm approach under pressure allowed him to dictate the race and avoid costly mistakes. With this latest victory, Debise has sent another warning to the rest of the world SSP field. The championship is entering a decisive period, and the French veteran is no longer viewed as an outsider. Instead, he is rapidly establishing himself as one of the favorites for the 2026 World Supersport title. The latest victory further highlights the growing strength of the Debise-ZXMOTO partnership. Throughout the season, the combination of Debise's experience and the continuous development of the ZXMOTO 820RR has produced impressive results against some of the most established manufacturers in the championship. Each race weekend has provided more evidence that ZXMOTO is no longer an underdog, but a genuine force capable of fighting at the very front of the WorldSSP field. If Debise can maintain this level of performance over the remaining rounds, both he and ZXMOTO will become increasingly difficult to stop. With momentum firmly on their side and confidence continuing to grow, the team appears well-positioned to challenge for one of the most remarkable championship achievements in recent World Supersport history.